Good evening.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Wow, what did you do today?
I'm watching TV.
You watch TV? Wow. Did you eat your dinner already?
Yes.
Wow. All right, and did you study our lesson last Wednesday?
Yes.
Wow. Can you still remember what was our lesson last Wednesday?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. You don't know. Um, last Wednesday we stopped in a story. Can you still remember that?
Yes.
A story about.
Arnold and a robot.
Wow, very good. That's correct. About Arnold and the robot. And can you tell me what happened to the story?
The robot it robot it I don't know.
You're so cute. All right, so tonight we will continue that story, okay? So let us see one more time what happened to the story and what happened to the robot. Okay, are you now ready?
Yes.
All right, so allow me to share my screen. All right, here. All right, can you see the book?
Yes.
Okay, so now I will play again the story and I want you to listen, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So here. All right, one moment. All right, one moment. Here.
Student's Book, page 40. 2. Read and listen. Check your answers.
Story time.
On the road. William is an artist. He makes robots to help people with homework. His robots can wash dishes, they can cook, can tidy rooms, and they can sweep floors. Arnold is a helper. He has to keep William's laboratory clean and tidy. William sometimes teaches Arnold how to build a robot, but Arnold never listens. So he doesn't know much about robots. Arnold's job very much because he doesn't like difficult work. One day, William goes into town to buy some things. When I come 3:30, he says to Arnold, I want to see this room clean. I want you to clean the table. I want you to sweep the floor, and I want you to wash the floor. Goodbye, and work hard. Arnold sweeps the table. Then he sweeps the floor and thinks, and fills. And then he has one to help me. And but floor, the robot it and throws the floor. Then he picks up the bucket with water, throws the water floor again. Stop! Arnold. But the robot doesn't stop. Arnold pressed another button. But now the robot works really fast, filling the bucket and pouring the water. The laboratory is full of water. Arnold doesn't know what to do. Just then, the door opens. It's William. He looks at the water. He is very angry. He goes over to the robot and presses buttons. Still, William says to Arnold, "You've got all night." Arnold is working. Takes him a long time. Next time he teaches me, I'm going to listen carefully, he thinks.
All right. So, what happened to the story?
Arnold take a robot take a bucket and throw water in floor.
All right, and the robot threw the water to the floor. That's right. All right, did Arnold listen to William?
Yes.
Did he listen to William?
No.
No, he did not listen to William. That is why the water was on the floor, because he did not listen to William. All right, so now let's try to put the story in order, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I want you to put the story in order now, Vivu. What is the first one in here?
William goes into town.
Wow, very good. William goes into town. That is correct. That is the first one. Now, what is next?
Tidy a table.
Very good. Arnold tidies the table. That's correct. And what is next?
Arnold sweeps a floor.
Arnold sweeps the floor. Very good. That's right. And what's next?
Arnold has an idea.
Arnold has an idea. Wow, very good. All right. Next.
Arnold gives a robot a bucket of water. It's fine.
Wow, very smart, Vivo. Great job. Arnold gives the robot a bucket of water. Very good. And what's next?
The robot throws water over a floor.
Over the floor. Very good. Oh, the robot throws water over the floor. And what is next?
Arnold shouts stop.
Very good. And the last one is?
William arrives home.
William arrives home. Wow, very good, Vivo. Very smart. Great job. All right, great job. All right. Now let's play the robot game. All right, can you please read this one, Vivo?
A robot, do my homework.
Robot, do my homework. Okay, robot, make me a chocolate pen. Do you think the robot can make a chocolate pen?
Yes.
Yes. Do you like robots?
Yes.
Do you want to have a robot someday?
Yes.
Wow, that's very amazing. All right. So now, wow, let's go to another lesson, okay? So can you please read our next lesson?
Tên là tiêu nghiệp, bệnh là gì, là cái nghiệp lực của mình tích tụ bao nhiêu đời,
What is our next lesson all about?
đời trước của mình.
Saving water.
All right, saving water. Okay, so before we go over with the story, I will ask you, Vivo, okay? Do you save water?
If
Or did you play water, waste water all the time?
I waste water.
Oh, you waste water all the time. Alright, so for you to learn how to save water, let us check out this story, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I want you to listen and at the same time read with this one.
Student book, page
Can you hear?
Yeah.
Great.
42.
1. Listen, read, and circle.
Water covers a lot of the earth, but less and less of this water is okay to drink because it is dirty. Every year, there are more people on the earth who need water. Many places do not have much water because it doesn't rain very often. This means we have to save water. But many people aren't using water. Often, people waste water. Use water when they don't have to. We should try to save water, not waste it.
Alright, so did you hear that? Water covers a lot of earth. Okay, so when you look at the earth, it covers with a lot of water. But less and less of this water is okay to drink because it is dirty. Every year there are more people on earth who need water. And unfortunately, many places don't have much water because it doesn't rain very often, just like in a desert place where the country is very hot and it doesn't rain all the time compared to us Asian countries. It usually rains like there is really a season that's for raining. So many places do not have much water because it doesn't rain very often. So this means we have to save water. Okay? We have to save
Okay.
water. Okay, we have to save water because there are some places in the earth that doesn't have enough water. Okay? So next time do
Okay.
not Okay, very good. So next time do not waste the water, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so always remember that we need to save water because there are some place that doesn't have much water. We are very lucky enough that we have a lot of water, but for some places they don't have water, and that is very sad because as we all know, water is very important to us. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so next time, okay? Always remember that do not waste water. Let us save the water.
Okay.
Alright, so now I want you to answer this one. Okay, so every year there are more or less people in the world?
More.
More. All right, very good. That's correct. More. Now, how about number 2? Can you please read that one?
Every year we use more and less water.
We use
More or less.
more or less. We use more water every year. We use more water, and every year there are more people in the world. It means that every year our population gets bigger and bigger. That is why we use more water.
Okay.
Yes, do you have question? Do you have question?
No.
No, all right. So now I want you to look at the map. Okay, so look at this map. Okay, so the blue one, it means that it has enough water. The blue one we have here. They have enough water in their place. Okay, look at that. But the yellow one, can you see the yellow one?
Yeah.
Or is that orange? Yeah. So it means that
Not enough
they
water.
not enough water. Okay, so this map shows which parts of the world have got lots of water and which ones don't have enough. Oh, I can see in my country that we have a lot of water, but how about you? Can you see your country in the map?
I see a country is no enough water.
What? Can you please repeat that? What did you see?
I see my country is not enough water.
Oh, in your country, where is this one?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So as you notice that your country doesn't have much water, that is why you need to save water, okay? Okay, okay. Now that you learn and now that you see that your country doesn't have enough water, it is now time for you to save up water. Okay? All right, very good. All right, so now let's continue. All right, so now let's answer this one. Okay, let's answer this questionnaire. Are you a water waster? Oh, are you a water waster? All right, so now let's try to answer this one. Okay, I want you to answer this one. I will ask you and I want you to answer me honestly, okay? Okay. How often do you turn the tap off while you brush your teeth?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, so that is sometimes. Your answer is sometimes, alright? That's good because that's only sometimes. Now, how about this one? How often do you have a shower and not a bath?
Away.
Oh, that is always. Alright, next. How often do you use a bucket of water to wash your bike and not a hose pipe?
Never.
Oh, never. You never use that. Alright, that's good. Alright, and next is how often do you turn the top off carefully so that it doesn't drip?
Sometimes.
Oh, sometimes. Alright, so as you can see here, sometimes is 1 point. Okay, and you answered twice. Okay, so that means that 2. You got 2 points. Okay, so let us see what does it mean. Okay, so we have here Okay, so 2. You you have 2 points. Okay, so from 0 to 3 or 0 to 2, you have 2 points. Not so good. Time to start saving water. Oh, did you see that one? Okay, what are you going to do next time?
Saving water.
All right, so next time, let's start to save water, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. All right, so now let's continue. Okay, so how much, I want you to think, okay? How much water does a dripping tap waste? Okay, so I think I will give this as your homework. Okay, I will give this as your project or your homework. Will that be okay for you?
I I I don't have measure.
You don't have measure? Alright, because the instruction here is put a cup under a dripping tap, meaning a dripping tap. And then you will wait for 10 minutes, okay? And measure how much water there is in the cup. So it's okay if you will not measure, okay? Just let me see the cup, okay? And I will just look at it. Try to look at that. Will you do that?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, wait. Try to measure, okay? But you said that you don't have a measurement, but that's okay. And I will want you to answer. How much water does the tap waste every day? Okay? Every day. Hour or a day? Okay, and next is how could you use the wasted water for? Okay, and I want you to think of what are you going to do with that wasted water? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so since it's almost time, Vivo, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, and what did you learn in our lesson tonight?
Yes.
What did you learn? Can you tell teacher?
Saving water.
Wow, that's very good. You learn how to save water. And will you start to save water right now?
Yes.
Wow, very good. Great job. All right, so thank you so much, Vivo, for your time. And as always, you are very good and very smart. Great job. Okay, so I will see you again on Monday, okay?
Okay.
All right, so goodbye, Vivo. Thank you so much and have a good night.
Bye.
Bye bye.